Hello my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see vacancies from Glenmark, and if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon. So coming to the vacancies from Glenmark, for their Pithampur plant, they are hiring for officer and junior officers with experience in OSD, production and packing departments. For OSD production, Bpharm or Mpharm candidates with 1 to 7 years of relevant experience in granulation, compression, coating, capsule filling department. And for OSD packing operators, Diploma or ITA, 1 to 6 years of experience in blister line. So high card, CVC, etc. Or officer, Bpharm or Mpharm, 1 to 6 years of relevant experience in blister line, bottle, BQS, high card, etc. So if you're interested, you can share your CV kinjal.goswami at the rate of glenmarkpharma.com with detailed qualification and the years of experience in current CTC. So please utilize the opportunity, my dear friends. Fresh having 1 year experience candidates can apply. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more job updates like this. Please share, subscribe.